Hey friends, if you wish to fix Runner's administrator not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Search for UAC or user account control in the Windows search bar and go to change user account control. Now this may be at the third option by default or even the fourth one, which is very strict. So here's what I do. If I am the administrator of the computer, I simply pull it down to the absolute bottom which says never notify and click on OK. If you are using a public computer or an organization based computer, you will not be able to change this setting at the first place. So there's no worries about something that you cannot do. But if you're using a home computer, unless you have a large family and your children are also accessing the computer and you wish to prevent them from certain applications, if that is the case, then you can keep it at the second level, else simply select it at the last level, which is to never notify. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.